Ginagamit ko itong LED TV backlight tester for about 4 years now. Nabili ko to in 2021 for about 600 pesos. This is originally designed for testing backlights of TV sets, but you can also use this in testing whatever forms of LEDs.
Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Wow!
Again, magagamit mo tong LED tester on whatever LEDs from a single regular LED to surface mount device or SMD LED chips na nasa LED board. Paano to gagamitin? Ilagay lang ang positive and negative probe sa LED terminals or sa positive and negative terminals ng LED board. On the display, mababasa ang voltage drop ng LED or ang kabuuang voltage supply ng LED board. By that, malalaman mo na agad ang voltahe na gagamitin mo to supply the LED or board. Kung 0 ang nakalagay dito sa display, it means shorted yung LED or board. Kung 300 naman ang nakalagay dito, it means open ang LED or LED board. 300 volts kasi ang output nitong LED tester ay hanggang 300 volts DC or direct current. And it has a wide range of input voltage. Pwede mo isaksak ito sa AC from 85 volts to 265 volts. So kahit mag-low voltage pa si Meralco, Veco, or Meco, magagamit mo pa rin ito. Ang plug nito ay Type-C round, pero meron siyang kasama na adapter para sa Type A. Itong nabili ko ay Yuan Gay ang brand at 11th generation na. Fully automatic na to kasi di mo na kailangan mag-set ng voltage and current range. The tester automatically determines the voltage load ng LED and adjusts the current. Di rin masisira ang LED beads kasi slow start ito. Palaala lang, mag-ingat sa paggamit nito kasi the output when the probes nito ay hindi mo ginagamit ay meron pa rin voltahe na umabot sa 300 volts. Kaya ang contacts ng probes dito ay may takip siya na rubber para protection natin. Mayroon din tong power switch dito para i-off mo agad pag di mo na gagamitin kahit sandali. Ilang beses na akong nakuryente nito at 300 volts yun. Masakit yung kuryente kahit DC pa ito. Kung may katanungan kayo, pakilagay dyan sa comment below. Daghang salamat, bye.